Hello, it's Josh from Server.pro here, and today we'll show you how to create a free Minecraft Bedrock 1.17 server. Firstly, you're going to need to create an account with us. Head over to Server.pro, enter your email and the password that you'd like to use, and then click Sign Up. You'll be sent an activation email that looks something like this. Click the activation link, and you'll be brought to the page on which you can create a server. Firstly, select the free plan, then select the location closest to where you live. Next, select Minecraft Bedrock Edition under Type, choose a server name, and then create the server. You may have to wait in a queue to create your server, but this usually doesn't take very long. In my case, there's no queue, so I just need to click Claim Server. You can access your server's control panel at any time by navigating to the My Servers list at Server.pro and clicking the Control Panel button. In the panel, you can find lots of really useful information, including your server's hostname and IP address, as well as being able to access the console. Once the server is both created and online, load up Minecraft, click play and head to your multiplayer server list. Add a new server, then enter a server name. Next, enter the hostname for your server and its port, then click play. And that's it! You've now created your very own Minecraft Bedrock 1.17 server. If you've enjoyed the video, remember to smash the like button, subscribe, and make sure to also hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from Server.pro. If you need any help, contact our support team. I've been Josh, cheers.